Hello and welcome to ECP's Funny Expressions. Aye! Today's expression is, that's the last thing I need. Here's the joke. I was in the supermarket the other day and this sales assistant came up to me and tried to sell me a coffin. But I said, that's the last thing I need. So the expression, that's the last thing I need, flies everywhere. The expression, the last thing I need, is typically used to mean, don't bother me with that right now. That's the last thing I need to know. That's the last thing I need to do. Why is this joke funny? Well, the last thing you will need in your life probably is a coffin. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.